Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this Scafflogic video. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to use stairways on a scaffold. In today's presentation, I will be using Lyre All-Around Scaffold. If you have a different scaffold brand, you may notice that I have different measurements and components available for use. As you can see, I already have a scaffold built up of several sections. I have large sections which are called platforms, standard sections, and small sections. Let's go in and see what we can actually put on this scaffold. I will right-click on the Content menu, and underneath I will get the Stairway menu. We have 4 types of stairways: a single, same alignment with deck, a double, and an internal. I will add the internal stairway to the platform. You can see that the system has generated a new image, and we will come back to that shortly. Let's try to put different kinds of stairways on our scaffold and see how the system builds them up. Right-click, Section, Stairway, Single, Add. There is our image for single stairway. Let's try another section. Right-click, Section, Stairway, same alignment, 307 centimeters, and another one is added. We will take the final section and make it a double, 257 centimeters. And now we have 4 different types of stairways that we can build up on our scaffold. Let's take a look in 3D view. In the first case, you can see that we have built an internal stairway, which is now part of the existing platform structure. We could have put it on the outside of the section, of course, but in this case we needed it as an internal stairway. We also have the single stairway, built with outside components, where you need to go into the main deck level to get to the next staircase. And we have a double, with the same alignment, which means that you have a deck level that you can walk around without actually interfering with the scaffold. And finally, we have a double stairway, which is a complete unit, where you actually turn around on the stairs and go up. In this case, we also have inside guardrails and other protection features installed. Let's take a look at what we can do in the properties of one of the stairways. We will go into the Content menu, select Stair, and choose Properties. Let's start from the top. As you can see, right now the stairway is set to 307 centimeters. But I have other options. I can change this measurement if I want, depending on what kind of equipment I have. I can force the system to build the stairway to a certain direction. If I don't choose a direction, the system will pick the most logical direction. I can control what type of access I want, if I want it on all levels or only the top level. I can also choose my stairway height in case I don't need it to go all the way to the top. We can do that for down, just for fun. You will see that the system actually rebuilds the stairway to only 620 centimeters. And I can choose what kind of deck I want in my stairway and the deck location, if I want it close to the scaffold or outside of it. As far as safety features go, I can choose if I want inside guardrails mounted on my stairway. I can also choose if I want guardrails against the platform and the stairway. In this case, I am choosing all levels. If I want, I can choose none or only in the top. I can even decide if I want toe boards at the end or outside on the stairway tower. If I save my settings as default, these parameters will be applied automatically in the future. If you use a frame scaffold, you will notice that the system will install more bracing and couplers because this type of scaffold needs more bracing to support towers like this.